ॐ चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाश्रयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। इन उपदेश साहस्री सम्यग्मति प्रकरणम we are studying. Acharya has been referring to the shlokas and mantras from Upanishads to show how we should reflect on the Upanishadic teachings. In 61 shloka, we saw that a jnani, once he gets knowledge, he will do vyavahara like he was doing before, but his mind will not be affected by what is happening in the world. He will be able to remain detached. This is the phalam, result of knowledge. If a person is behaving or transacting just like how they were before, that means the knowledge has not taken place. Somebody may say, no, there is some improvement. Some improvement, if you are associated with knowledge and over a period of, let's say, 10, 15, 20 years, if there is some improvement, that doesn't count. Some improvement is expected from any normal individual human being who has grown through 15 to 20 years in their life. That is not enough. The result of knowledge is I am able to handle myself and situations because I know I am Brahma. On the strength of this wisdom, I am handling situations. That is called result of knowledge. Some improvement is not, there is no knowledge then. So whenever something happens and I realize I am Brahma, or the other person also with whom I am interacting, that this person is also Brahma, that wisdom comes right away. Then whatever I need to do, I act accordingly. That is the phalam of this jnana. And such a vidwan, he has no fear of, fear means he doesn't have any insecurity. Insecurity is the sign of ignorance. If a person is insecure within and is constantly looking for some external support, which they have not analyzed that it is going to be impermanent, then there is no jnanam. This was Taittiriya Shruti. Anandam Brahmano Vidwan na vibheti kutaschana iti. And the earlier was Bhagavad Gita shloka, Yasya naham krato bhavaha बुद्धिर्यस्य न लिप्यते हत्वापि स इमान् लोकान् न हन्ति न निबध्यते. सो न लिप्यते. यथा सर्वगतं सौक्ष्म्याद् आकाशं नोपलिप्यते सर्वत्रावस्थितो देहे तथात्मा नोपलिप्यते. Then Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma, again from Taittiriya Upanishad, Panchakosha Viveka was explained. And how this Vidwan is not afraid, for that it was said even Devatas, they work under the Anushasanam of Paramatma. But for Jnani, Tasya Karyam na vidyate. And he is Swe Mahimni Pratishtitaha. He is Bhuma Brahma. What is Bhuma? In 64th shloka we saw Namadibhya Pare Bhumni. Bhuman Pratipadika. What is the sutra we saw last time?
विभाज्योः
भयनहोः
Bhucha Bahoho. Who is Bahu? And Bahor Lopo Bhucha Bahoho. Bahu will have Lopa, Bhu will become, Bahu will become Bhu, Imanich Pratyaya, Bhuman. 65, page number 237, Tika. भूम्नो नामादिभ्यः परत्वे अपि कथम अद्वैत्वम् इत्याशंक्य नामादेरवस्थात्रय रूपस्य अध्यस्तत्वेन मिथ्यात्वात् तत्साक्षिणस् तुरीयस्य भूम्नो अद्वयत्वम् इति वक्तुम् अवस्थात्रयम् अनुवदति. भूम्नो नामादिभ्यः परत्वे अपि. This Bhuma is Namadibhya para. So, greater than Nama is Vak. Greater than Vak is Manaha, Sankalpaha, Chittam, Dhyanam, Vijnanam, Balam, Annam. In this way, Apaha, Tejaha, Akasha. All these were given. Then Prana. From Nama all the way up to Prana. Bhuma is greater than Prana, means greater than Hiranyagarbha. Namadibhya paratve api katham advayatvam. How, even though it is greater than Nama and Vak, Manaha, Sankalpa, Dhyanam, etc., how it is non-dual? This is the question. Katham advayatvam इत्याशंक्य नामादेहे अवस्थात्रय रूपस्य अध्यस्तत्वेन मिथ्यात्वात्. नामादि आर अवस्थात्रय रूपस्य अध्यस्तत्वेन. They are अवस्थात्रय रूप and therefore they are adhyasta. Whatever is in the three avasthas, Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, they are all adhyasta in Brahma. Adhyastatvena mithyatvat. Tat sakshinas turiyasya bhumno advayatvam. And therefore its sakshi is turiya bhuma advitiya. If somebody says, what is experienced is mithya, yad drishyam tan mithya. So avasthatraya, in that whatever is experienced is mithya. Then a question will come, in this avasthatraya, Atma is experienced or not?
Yes.
Atma is experienced. If Atma is experienced in Avasthatraya, then that Atma also will be mithya, because you are saying whatever is experienced is mithya. So Siddhanti says, no, that is not true. Because whatever is experienced, so we will say, no, Vishayatvena yad anubhuyate tanmithya. So how Vedanti will actually explain is, yes, it is experienced, no doubt. But when you say something is mithya, you need a sakshi who knows that something else is mithya. That's why this is the hetu given. Adhyastatvena mithyatvat. Tat sakshinas turiyasya bhumnaha advayatva. Because that sakshi, if I say something else is mithya, I have to be satya, I have to be existing without getting negated, abadhitatvena, so that I can negate something else. Therefore, that Atma is Satyam. That is Turiya. Turiyasya bhumnaha advayatvam. Iti vaktum avasthatrayam anuvadati. So for that, now avasthatraya is being mentioned again. Anuvadati. Punaha. Virad Vaishvanaro Bahyah Smarannantah Prajapatihi Praviline tu sarvasmin Prajño Vyakritamuchyate. Virad Vaishvanaro Bahyah Smarannantah Prajapatihi Praviline tu sarvasmin Prajño Vyakritamuchyate. Virat or Vaishwanara, both of them are same. That is, Bahya means Bahish Prajna. Antah Smaran Prajapatihi. Antah Smaran is Antah Prajna. Prajapati means Hiranyagarbha, Taijasaha. So Virat Vaishwanara is Bahish Prajna. Hiranyagarbha is Antah Prajna. And Sarvasmin Praviline tu Prajño Avyakritam Uchyate. And when everything is Pravilinam, Vilinam, Vilinam means Karya getting dissolved in Karana, ready to come back. So without losing its identity. That is this Pravilina. Prajño Avyakritam Uchyate. That is the Tritiya Karana Avastha. So Bahish Prajna, Anta Prajna, Prajnana Ghana. Three are given, all other you understand. And these three are Adhyastha in Brahma. Tika. अध्यात्म अधिदैवतयोर अभेद अभिप्रायेण विराट वैश्वानर इत्युक्तम्. विश्व वैश्वानर इत्यर्थः. अध्यात्म अधिदैवतयोः अभेद अभिप्रायेण. Between Adhyatma and Adhidaiva, Abheda. Virat Vaishwanara ityuktam. Virat means Vishwa. Vishwa Vaishwanara. Vaishwanara. What is the sutra there? What is the Samasa Vigraha?
विश्वस्य असौ नरः विश्वानरः विश्वानर एव वैश्वानरः
Vishwascha asau narascha iti Vishwanaraha. Vishwanara eva. But how did Vishwanara happen? How did the Dirgha come? What is the sutra?
Vasudha.
Nare Sanyayam. Bahyo Bahihi Prajnaha means Bahishprajnaha ityartha. अंतः स्मरन् इति स्वप्ने वासनामय विषयदर्शी प्रजापतिर हिरण्यगर्भस्तैजस इति योज्यम्. अंतः स्मरन् इति स्वप्ने वासनामय विषयदर्शी प्रजापतिः. In swapna he remembers things within. Swapna means when bahya indriya vyapara is not there. Whether it happens during the day or night, it doesn't matter. Vasanamaya Vishayadarshi, there are some people, they are always in their own mental Vasanamaya world also only. They have no idea what is actually there outside. Prajapati hi Hiranyagarbhas Taijasa iti yojyam. Prajapati means Hiranyagarbha. This is Antaprajna. So when in this way, when it is defined, we probably think that this has nothing to do with me. Because neither I am Virat Vaishwanara, nor I am Prajapati, neither I am Prajna. What is the use of such shloka? That's why in the first line he says, Adhyatma Adidevato Yoho Abheda Abhiprayana. Adhyatma means Vyashti. Adhideva means Samashti. When Vyashti and Samashti are equated, means Samashti alone is there, Vyashti has no real independent existence. Or more Shastriya language, if you want to say, this is Ekajiva Vada. According to Ekajiva Vada, there is only one Jiva and that alone is going through the Avasthatraya. That is who I am. Avyakrita Mayopadhi Ishwarakhyam Tattvam Prajna Ujyate ityartha. And Avyakrita is Mayopadhi Ishwara, that is Prajna. एतद अवस्थात्रयात्मकं जगत अपोह्य तत्साक्षिणो वस्तुभूतस्य अहम ब्रह्म इति सम्यक् ज्ञानान् मुक्तो भवति इत्याह. एतद अवस्थात्रयात्मकं जगत, दिस जगत which is अवस्थात्रयात्मकं, जागृत स्वप्न सुषुप्ति, अपोह्य having removed, eliminated, तत्साक्षिणो वस्तुभूतस्य अहम ब्रह्म इति सम्यक् ज्ञानान् मुक्तो भवति. That Sakshi means that which is Shuddha Chaitanya, Kutastha, which is Vastubhuta. Vastubhutasya Aham Brahma iti Samyak Jnanat. When Aham Brahma, this Samyak Jnanam takes place, Mukto Bhavati ityaha. Vacharambhanamatratvat Sushuptaditrikam Tvasat Satyognyaschahamitevam Satyasandho vimuchyate. Vacharambhanamatratvat Sushuptaditrikam Tvasat Satyognyaschahamitevam Satyasandho vimuchyate. वाचारम्भण मात्रत्वात् सुषुप्तादि त्रिकम तु असत. The sushupti adi trikam means sushupti, jagrat, swapna. They all are asat. Why? Hetu is given vacharambhana matratvat, because it is vacharambhana only. Sushuptadi means this Virat, Vaishwanara, Hiranyagarbha, Taijasa, Prajna, Ishvara, they all are vacharambhana. In Chaitanya, because of some expressions of vasana, there is Jagrata Avastha. Some expressions of vasana, there is Swapna Avastha. Because of some expression, there is Sushupti. Therefore, in Chaitanya, it appears that there are states. Chaitanya by itself has no states. Upadhi creates these notions. That's why it is Vacharambhana. That's why it is Mithya. Because it is Vacharambhanam, therefore it is Asat. Huh? Asat means Mithya. Not that because it is Mithya, therefore it is Vacharambhanam. So how do you prove it is Vacharambhanam? Because it is Vivarta. In Chaitanya, Vikara is not possible. But it appears with Vikara. Therefore it cannot be real. Therefore it is Vacharambhanam. Therefore it is Mithya. Then what is Satya? Satyognyascha aham iti. I am Jnata of these three and I am Satya. Aham Satyaha. Nyaha. Iti evam Satya Sandho Vimuchyate. In this way, the one who does Satya Sandhanam is Vimuchyate, is liberated. Satya Sandha, does anyone remember what is Satya Sandha in this context? In Chandogya. Somebody gave some answer, but I think only they heard. Huh? Not even clear. I couldn't hear what you said.
Tapta Parshu, Swami.
Tapta Parshu. Correct. Tapta Parshu, Satya Sandha. A person who holds, that example is given in Chandogya 6th chapter at the end. A person who holds the Parshu, red hot iron axe. And if that Parshu is with mantra, then if you are speaking the truth, it will not burn you. If you are not speaking the truth, it will burn you. And then you will be punished and everything. Then you will be put in jail also. So that context was compared to Darshtanta, that if I hold on to this wisdom, that I am Brahma, I am Satya, and Jagat is Mithya, no event in the world will disturb me. And if I get disturbed, that means I still feel Jagat is Satyam. But that doesn't mean you go and try to irritate people, and then you see whether this person thinks Jagat is Satyam or not, you will get 2 slaps. That is not the objective. Because of prarabdha, if something happens to you, then you see, you observe. And all these tests are for myself. I have to check whether I am getting disturbed or not. This person is like that person is like that, this person is getting disturbed. Objective is not that. So that taptaparashu nyaya is satyasandha. Satyasandha means I am holding on to satya. What is satya? I am satya Brahma. Not mithya vishwa, not mithya taijasa, not mithya prajna. This is satyasandha. In Vishnu Sahasranama, Bhagwan's one name is Satyasandha. Then vimuchyate. Tika. Jnaha sakshi. Satyaha Paramatma. Soham. I am Paramatma. I am Satya Sakshi. So this should come instantly and all the time. And for this, a person, if they need solitude, they should take solitude. If there are people who constantly are into the worldly things, and if you don't get opportunity for withdrawing within to think about this, then you will have to take that time for this. But this buddhi should become dhrida. I am Satya Sakshi Paramatma Swarupa. That alone I am. Soham eva iti. This is evam Satya Sandho anayasena muchyate ityartha. So then effortlessly he will be liberated. Other than Brahma, everything is Vacharambhana. Samashti Sthula, Sukshma Prapancha, its Karana, Avyakruta, everything is Vacharambhana. When situation comes, then this knowledge should help me. This is where there will be a difference between Jivan Mukta and Ajnani. Atma Tattva Ajnana Dhyastha Samsaras Taj Jnanan Nivartata iti ukte ज्ञानाज्ञानयोर आत्मधर्मत्वं स्यात् इति आशंक्य दृष्टान्तेन प्रत्याह. आत्मतत्व अज्ञान अध्यस्तः संसारः. आत्मतत्वस्य आत्मनः तत्वं आत्मतत्वं, or आत्मनः तत्वं you can do if tattvam means the satya part of atma and mithya part means panchakosha. Atma, or you say atma eva tattvam atma tattvam tasya ajnana adhyastah, tasya ajnanat adhyastah samsarah. When I don't have the knowledge of atma, then samsara is adhyastha. Adhyastah samsarah. Tad jnanan nivartate. Atma jnanat nivartate. So atma jnanat samsara, atma jnanat moksha. So then somebody has a question. Iti ukte jnana jnanayor atma dharmatvam syat. Between jnana and ajnana, atma dharmatvam will happen. Atma dharmatvam syat. Iti ashankya drishtantena pratyaha. So drishtanta is given. So what is the objection? You are saying, see, if I say, Ghatasya, not Ghata, take some fruit, for example. Amraphalasya rupam. Amraphalasya rasaha. Amraphalasya sparshaha. So, Amraphalasya rupam. Where is rupam staying? In Amraphala. Amraphalasya rasa. Where is rasa staying? In Amraphala. Similarly, sparsha, shabda, ityadi, gurutva. So all these are guna. They are staying in that vastu, that dravya. So somebody says, you are saying atmanaha jnanam, atmanaha ajnanam. So jnana and ajnanam, they are also like guna. They should stay in atma. Jnana jnanayoho atma dharmatvam syat. Jnana and ajnana will become dharma of atma. This is the Purvapaksha. Iti ashankya. Drishtantena pratyaha. So drishtanta is given. Pratyaha means that prashna is responded, objection is resolved. Bharupatvad yatha bhanor nahoratre tathaiva cha jnana jnanena me syatam चिद्रूपत्वा विशेषतः भारूपत्वाद् यथा भानोर नाहोरात्रे तथैव च ज्ञानाज्ञानेन मे स्यातां चिद्रूपत्वा विशेषतः यथा भानोः भारूपत्वात् न अहोरात्रे तथैव च मे चिद्रूपत्वा विशेषतः ज्ञानाज्ञाने न स्याताम्. यथा, just as भानोः न अहोरात्रे, for the sun there are no day and night. Why? Bharupatvat, because it is of the nature of Chaitanya, light only, Prakasha Rupatvat. In the same way, I don't have Jnanam and Ajnanam. In Atma, there is no Jnanam, Ajnanam. Atma's Jnanam can be there in Devadatta, in Chaitra, Maitra. But Atma does not have Dharma of Jnanam and Ajnanam. Jnana Jnane na me syatam. Me Jnana Jnane na syatam. I don't have Jnanam Ajnanam. Why? Chidrupatva avisheshatah. Because I am Chaitanya Matra Rupa. Chaitanya Swarupa. There are no these two in me. Jnanam and Ajnanam. In other words, Atma does not have Jnana, Ajnana as its dharma. Jnana, Jnana yorapi sakshyatvat kalpitatve sati na atma dharmatvam iti bhava. Jnana, Ajnana yoho api sakshyatvat. It is sakshya. It is not any different. It is also drishya. And therefore they are kalpita only. Na atma dharmatvam. They are not the dharma of Atma. Some Purvapaksha is coming in my mind, so I will share it. You are saying Jnana and Ajnana are not dharma of Atma. When you say Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, Brahma, Anandam, Brahma. So this Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, Anandam, what are they? They are Atma only, they are not Atma Dharma. But as if they are Dharma, in this way Vyavahara is done. Vyavahara of Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, Anandam is done as if they are Dharma. Apruthakvepi Chaitanyat Pruthaktwena Vyavahara. So like if we say Atmananda. Atmananda means Atmanaha Ananda. The bliss of the self. So it becomes Dharma then. Actually it is not different from Chaitanya, Atma. But as if it is different, in that way Vyavahara is done. Atmano nirvisheshatvadehe shastra pramanyad eva siddher natra yukti kalpanaya manaha khedaniyam iti abhipratya aha. आत्मनो निर्विशेषत्वादेः शास्त्र प्रामाण्याद एव सिद्धेः. Atma is nirvishesha. This siddhi happens through shastra pramana. Shastra pramanyad eva siddhehe. And therefore there is no need to do any yukti kalpana. Na atra yukti kalpanaya manah khedaniyam. Acharya is very clear. Don't put too much stress on your mind to find some yukti to prove Atma is nirvishesha. Shruti has already said Atma is nirvishesha. Shruti is praman. Why you are struggling? So then should we use any yukti or not? If you cannot sit quietly, then you better use yukti. You study Vyakarana, you study Nyaya, you study Mimamsa, you do everything. You study Purana also. Keep yourself busy so that others are very happy. Atmano nirvisheshatvadehe shastra pramanyadeva siddhehe. Through shastra pramana, Atma is nirvishesha, is siddham. So you don't need to do any other yukti kalpana. And by that, manaha khedaniyam na. Don't give too much stress to your mind. This avachinna, that avachinna, and this sati, that sati, another sati, 3, 4, 5. Shastrasya natishankatvat brahmaivashyamaham sada brahmano me naheyam syat grahyam veti cha samsmaret. शास्त्रस्यानतिशङ्क्यत्वात् ब्रह्मैव स्यामहं सदा ब्रह्मणो मे न हेयं स्यात् ग्राह्यं वेति च संस्मरेत्। शास्त्रस्य अनतिशङ्क्यत्वात्, in Shastra there is no room for any Shanka. It is beyond all Shankas. Anatishankyatvad brahmaiva syamaham sada. And therefore, sada, I am brahmaiva. Shastrasya anatishankya means Shastrasya pramanyam anatishankyatvad. This nishchaya, this kind of conviction, if one can get. Shastra is pramana. If Shastra has said, I am Brahma, I am Brahma. Anybody says anything, I don't care. And that, which kind of Brahma? Me Brahmanaha na heyam syat. Nava grahyam syat. Iti cha samsmaret. And for this Brahma, there is no heya, there is no grahya. This also I should remember. Remember means from Shruti, Smriti, etc. Aheyam anupadeyam. I am Brahman, if you use Napunsakalinga. Brahma is infinite. If there is something other than that infinite, then you can add to that infinite Brahma. And if there is something that you can remove from infinite, then that is here. Here there is nothing, no upadeya, there is no here. So there is no scope for any vyavahara. Bhashya is Tika is Spashtam. So this is who I am. In this way, I should think, I should dwell on. Kim tad brahma param shastram kim va sarvada aheya anupadeya brahmatma jnana nishthasya phalam. So you should read this way. Kim tad brahma param shastram. What is that shastra which is indicating that param brahma? Tad brahma param shastram kim? This is first question. Second question is Brahmatma jnana nishthasya phalam kim? If a person is nishtha in Brahmatma jnanam, what is the phalam? Sarvada aheya anupadeya Brahma. Which Brahma? Sarvada aheya and anupadeya Brahmatma jnana nishthasya kim phalam? What is the phalam for that? Iti apekshayam yastu sarvani bhutani ityadi mantrartham udaharati. Ishavasya is quoted now. Yastu, what is the mantra? Yastu sarvani bhutani
Atmanyevanupashyati sarvabhuteshu chatmanam tato no yujugupsate.
Yastu sarvani bhut. Somebody else was saying seventh mantra instead of sixth. यस्तु सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मन्येवानुपश्यति सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं ततो न विजुगुप्सते. Vijugupsa means
Fear, disgust.
fear, and disgust. Vijugupsa means gopaitum ijja. Vijugupsa is gopaitum ijja. Gupu rakshane dhatu is there. To protect. This is one, Vijugupsa. And the corollary of this is Irsha. Vijugupsa is also used for Irsha, jealousy. Because I want to protect something and I am afraid I will lose because of this person, that person, that person. So then there is Irsha. Vijugupsa is used in both sense. So this mantra says, Na Vijugupsate. There is nothing to protect because nobody can take it away. Sarvani Bhutani, all beings, Atmani, in one's own self. And Sarva Bhuteshu cha Atmanam, and one's own self in all beings. Ahameva cha Bhuteshu Sarveshveko Mano Yatha Mai Sarvani Bhutani Pashyannevam na jayate. Ahameva cha bhuteshu sarveshveko mano yatha mai sarvani bhutani pashyannevam na jayate. Ahameva cha bhuteshu sarveshu eko. Yatha manaha मयि सर्वाणि भूतानि पश्यन् एवं न जायते. Mano, this mano shabda is not right here. It should be nabho. Aham eva cha bhuteshu sarveshu eko nabho yadha. Make the correction. Nabha. Nabha means akasha. Manaha, if it is there, this nabha is there in the other reading. That's why I am saying, not on my own. Manaha also we can explain in swapna avastha. Yatha manaha, like in swapna, I alone am there. Aham eva cha sarveshu bhuteshu ekaha. In all beings, all things that are there in my swapna, I alone am there. In the same way, tatha mai sarvani bhutani. Tatha is not needed. Yatha manaha or yatha navaha ahameva cha sarveshu bhuteshu ekaha sarvani bhutani cha mai iti evam pashyan na jayate. All beings are in me, I am in all. In this way, if somebody sees, then he is not born again. Means he understands, right now itself I am Brahma Tattva. Where is the question of birth? Where is the question of death? Eternally, I alone am. Somebody says, this knowledge is so clear. When I have to transact with people, then I have problem. I by myself, I am firm in this wisdom. Let's say if somebody feels like that, then best thing is you avoid vyavahara. Because when I don't have vyavahara and I am so peaceful at rest, you avoid vyavahara. And you will see this jnanam will give you sukham anyway. Because Atma Swarupa, you don't have to go anywhere else for that sukham. So this is the secret of sannyasa. The whole purpose of sannyasa means this only. If I can withdraw and I am content because of knowledge, because of sattva, not that you withdraw and then you are just waiting, when is the next opportunity when twice I will start interaction. Or earlier I would have sent 2 messages, now I will send 20 messages. That is not withdrawal. Withdrawal means Atma Sukham you are getting. Then that is the right approach. That is called sannyasa. मयि सर्वाणि भूतानि पश्यन् एवं न जायते. टीकाकार से स्पष्टम. And this mantra actually, Ishavasya mantra, is used in Bhagavad Gita, Manusmriti. In Kaivalya also there is some similar shlok mantra. Kaivalya Upanishad. सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि च आत्मनि
Sampashyan Brahma Paramam Hetu
जातिनान्येन हेतुना. So this is very well known. आत्मनो अद्वितीय ब्रह्म रूपत्वे शास्त्रम अर्थत उदाहृत्य निर्विशेष ब्रह्म रूपत्वे उदाहरति. आत्मा अद्वितीय ब्रह्म, this shastra is already quoted. Shastram arthatah udaharati. Arthatah, not shabdatah. In meaning, shastra was quoted. So this one, previous one, that mantra is indicating Atma's advitiyatvam. 2 questions were asked. Kim tat brahma param shastram. That Atma is advitiya or Brahma is advitiya. In that, what is the shastra? This is the shastra. Other than Atma, everything is mithya, is proved through this mantra. I hope I don't have to explain this in depth. If one thing is there in many, and all are, what is the Drishtanta? Ocean and waves. Jala and Taranga. Taranga will be there in waters. And in Taranga, there is water. In waves, there is water. In other words, waves are mithya. Water alone is. This is non-dual. Advitiyatvam. So this shloka, which uses Ishavasya or Kaivalya mantra, is revealing Atmanaha Advitiya Brahma Swarupam. So that part is explained. Now this much we should go on dwelling until we see the second part. Okay. And na vijugupsate is the Brahma Atma Jnana Nishtha Phalam. There is nothing to fear there. There is nothing to protect. There is nothing to be worried about. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Veda Vipakine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.